Good morning. For today's writing assignment, you are going to put all of your work together that you did on Tuesday and make a draft of your writing. So up here it says it's time to put all of your work together in the form of a paragraph. The topic sentence goes first. So you're going to look at what you did on Tuesday, find your topic sentence and put it in there. So topic sentence goes first, followed by the detail and explanation sentences. Those are the boxes, so the sentences that you wrote in the boxes. And then the last sentence is your closing sentence. Once you have everything written down, then you're going to reread your writing and make corrections. Make sure it sounds right. As you read your sentence, did you forget some words? Did you write something wrong? Check your punctuation marks. Did you put periods or question marks or exclamation marks at the ends of your sentences? Did you capitalize the letters that needed capitalized? Every beginning of a sentence needs capitalized, but you also need to capitalize proper nouns like names of people or places. So make sure that your draft you have checked before you turn it in. When you're finished, you're going to turn it into the purple container. Have fun. Do your best.